Hello guys. Welcome to another awesome Photoshop tutorial. Hi, I am Migxel. Today we're gonna be learning how to create YouTube thumbnail layout, how to crop and put a text on your image, Blogger edition. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe and click that notification bell for more awesome tutorial videos like this. Let's start. So I have some awesome pictures to my previous motorcycle travel, and have already create my own logo name, which is Migxel. This tutorial will teach you how to create your own design on your blogs. For the beginners, follow this easy step and learn one by one, and you can make your own design like this one, and customized any like you want. First, click New. Let's name it blog number 1. Then change the preset to custom. Let's change into pixels, which required size by YouTube. Change the width by 1280 px, and the height is 720 px. And the resolution is 150. And now we are set and ready to go. Then click OK. Now we have the template, which is same required size by YouTube. Now let's fire it up. And now, let's drag the background image into our template. There's no need for this. Let's close it down. Let's scale it by small. Go to Edit. Click Transform. And click Scale. To resize the image. To rescale it. And avoid distortion, Shift plus Alt, then drag. Cool. This looks good to me. Let's zoom this. So let's proceed to the second image, where I will crop and highlight myself. Using pen tool, this may takes a few minutes. To traces. Let's start it. Click Pen tool. Or shortcut. Click P. Let's zoom the area to see the details of edges. Now let's draw. To re-edit the segment, hold CTRL-T. Click hand icon. Or shortcut. Click H. Allows you to move around within the image. At last I finish tracing. It's perfect. Then, right-click. Then select. Make selection. Then make it 0. To make the edges sharp. Then click OK. Once it's OK, the jagged lines will appear. To copy this, hold Ctrl+J. To copy it appear in the layers. I will uncheck the eye to see the crop image. Now we can separate this image and add this to my background. I will rename it and minimize the image. I will drag the image into my background. To resize it, go to Edit and click Transform. Select Scale. I use Move tool to select and move objects on the page. Click the crop layer image and double-click. Go to Style and click Stroke. Change the color into white. Change the size to 15. Nice. Cool. This looks awesome. Now let's go to the last image. My logo name. Let's drag this. Let's rescale to small. Go to Edit and click Transform. Go to Scale. Hold Shift+Alt to scale properly. Let's add another outline. Double-click the logo. Change to white. And change the value into 10. Click OK. I will add a text, which will add more storytelling effect. Go to Text, or shortcut click T. I will type my first ever blog. Let's change to white. I will change the distance between my text. I am gonna change my size of text. Go to Edit. Click Transform. And Scale. Hold key Shift+Alt to scale. Go to Edit. Click Transform. Then Rotate. Let's rotate the text to add more nice look. Go to Edit. Transform. Scale. Awesome. Double-click the text. Go to Style. Click Stroke. Change into black. Let's say 5. I am gonna pick another font style. Awesome. Let's scale it again. Same application. Awesome. I am gonna adjust a little bit my background. Make sure that you always click the selected layers to adjust or move the image. Cool. Go to File. Select the format into JPEG. Rename the file. Click Save. Make sure the resolution is maximum into 12. Let's view the design. I hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos. I will see you in the next one.